Now, this illustration shows how the size conductors, based upon termination ratings, are selected from the previous illustration we just reviewed. And this particular illustration deals with temperature limitations in accordance with 110.14 C1A, C1B, and C2B. Now, reviewing these circuits, we're finding conductor ampacity rating in circuits 1, 2, and 3 that we just looked at in the previous illustration. Step 1. We're reviewing now 110.14 C1A and C1B, and TH copper conductors are terminated at 75 degrees C. So based upon that, we could go to step 2, and a number 8 THHN copper conductor, even though it's a 90 degrees C ampacity, would have to be terminated at 60 degrees C, so it's only good for 40 amps, even though the 90 degree column listed at 50. But you have to terminate with the ampacity that the terminal allows you to load to a particular terminal rating, which in this case is 60 degrees C. Now the circuit 2 is a 1-aught. It can be used at 75 degrees C because it's over 100 amp. So I can have a 150 amp overcurrent device with 1-aught wire terminated 75 degrees C conductors in accordance now with 110.14 C1 little b. Now, the third circuit, a number 3 THHN, used at 60 degrees C is 85 amps. And if that would supply your load, that'd be okay. But if it did not supply the load, I'd have to bump it up to another size. But notice we have circuit 1 and 3 are 60 degrees C terminals in the illustration. And then we have the circuit 2 at 75 degrees C terminals. And that's what this illustration 14.15b is illustrating to us in this illustration.